12 benefits of ryegrass pollen for prostate health. Ryegrass pollen is commonly used as an alternative treatment for certain prostate conditions. Maybe it can help you too. Do you dribble after going to the bathroom? Is your sleep constantly interrupted because of the need to urinate? Do you feel like your bladder never empties? If your answer is yes to one or more of these questions, ryegrass pollen may benefit you. Now, I hope you don't mind if we discuss some basic information about ryegrass pollen before we get into the benefits of this amazing product. Ryegrass is a natural food that's rich in nutrients. The pollen is used as an alternative treatment for men with an enlarged prostate, as well as the many urinary symptoms that come with BPH. It's commonly taken by mouth for pain and swelling of the prostate. It's also been used to make traditional medicine and as a natural side therapy to enhance traditional medicine. In Western Europe, Japan, Korea, and Argentina, ryegrass pollen extract is a registered pharmaceutical product under the name Cernilton. In this video, you will learn the many ryegrass pollen benefits and how it has been used as a natural alternative to help men with many disorders. We just mentioned a few issues men have, however, ryegrass pollen has a long list of benefits. Stay with us until the end, and you will learn a few other facts and uses for ryegrass pollen. We would appreciate that you like the video and subscribe to our channel in order to help us establish our presence on YouTube. This video is partially sponsored by DelvixGarden.com, your source for high-quality food supplements and personal care products at low prices. This company has a range of premium products for your health, beauty, and personal care, including organic pine pollen, ceremonial-grade matcha, medicinal herbs, hair dye shampoo, and plant-based protein for weight loss. There are links in the description. Kindly visit their store and use the coupon code FIRST20% to get 20% discount on your first order. Here are 12 benefits of ryegrass pollen. 1. Alleviates enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Taking ryegrass pollen improves symptoms of an enlarged prostate. There is mixed research on whether or not it actually affects the size of the prostate. Ryegrass pollen works about as well as pygium. It reduces prostate pain caused by an enlarged prostate or prostate swelling. Normally, when a man has fewer symptoms, he will see more improvement using ryegrass pollen. This product is an excellent way to relieve symptoms of BPH naturally. 2. Reduces DHT levels naturally. Enzyme 5-alpha reductase converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT. This active form of testosterone promotes cell growth in the prostate tissue. Ryegrass pollen can reduce the activity of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which prevents some of the complications of BPH. 3. Slow down prostate cancer cells. Ryegrass pollen has been shown to slow down the growth of prostate cancer cells, apoptosis. This benefit alone could be tremendously helpful to a large number of men, since 1 in every 8 is likely to be diagnosed with prostate cancer in his lifetime. It's estimated that this year over 240,000 men in the United States alone will be diagnosed with prostate cancer. This particular type of cancer is the most common cancer among men. 4. Remediate urinary functions. Ryegrass pollen works similar to the way alpha blockers work. The great news is that you will not get the side effects that you will receive with alpha blockers. Ryegrass pollen facilitates contraction of bladder muscles, which in turn makes it easier to urinate, because the bladder muscles contract more frequently. These are a few of the ways that ryegrass pollen extracts are thought to relieve various urinary symptoms. Some men have said that they get up fewer times at night to urinate because of the relief they get from using ryegrass pollen. 5. Increases testosterone. When men have low testosterone, the male hormone, it can cause them to urinate more frequently. Ryegrass pollen may affect this male hormone by relaxing the muscles in the urethra, the tube from which urine flows. When this muscle is relaxed, it can improve how well the bladder can force the urine out. 6. Prevents and treats constipation. The fiber in ryegrass pollen improves bowel movement regularity by promoting the growth and activity of healthy bacteria in the gut. The fiber from ryegrass pollen is thought to be a good source to improve stool softness, as well as ease and frequency of bowel movements in men with constipation. 7. Increases the levels of zinc. Pollen extracts increase the level of zinc in the serum and inside the prostate. This mineral can suppress tumor progression. Pollen extracts increase the level of zinc in the serum and inside the prostate. This mineral can suppress tumor progression by shrinking cells in the prostate. 8. Promotes death of the prostate's epithelial cells. Apoptosis is basically a programmed cell death. Epithelial cells are a type of cell that lines the surfaces of various parts of the body, including the prostate. When cells are performing as they should, they are programmed to execute when something goes wrong. When a man has BPH, normal cells would go through apoptosis, but for some unexplained reason they don't. This problem contributes to prostate enlargement. Ryegrass pollen is believed to stimulate the process of apoptosis. 9. Slows and reverse premature aging. Ryegrass pollen has many benefits, including anti-aging and improving your overall health. Ryegrass pollen contains antioxidants that protects the skin from the damage of free radicals. It revitalizes, nourishes, and restores damaged skin cells and helps maintain water balance in the skin. Ryegrass pollen provides many essential nutrients that slow down the aging process and makes your skin look radiant. 10. Natural multivitamins and minerals. Ryegrass pollen is full of nutrients and has all the vitamins we need, several minerals, and 21 amino acids. There's also trace elements, phytonutrients, and many other antioxidant substances. Just to name a few nutrients included, there are 4 B vitamins, A, C, D, E, and K. Ryegrass pollen contains calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron, as well as flavonoids and phytosterols. This natural multivitamin can improve prostate health and various functions in men's bodies, including the immune system, to keep the entire body healthy. 11. Ryegrass pollen benefits are backed up by studies. Ryegrass pollen has been tested many times in various studies and different types of patients as far back as the 90s. In the Infectious Diseases, 4th edition, 2017, there was a study on chronic prostatitis, CP, and chronic pelvic pain syndrome, CPPS, that showed pollen extract, Cernilton, significantly improved the pain and total symptoms of the patients. One of the first meta-analysis of ryegrass pollen extracts evaluated a total of 444 men. The researchers reported that Cernilton, ryegrass pollen extracts, reduced the symptoms, especially nocturia. In other words, the patients reported a reduction in the frequency of urination at night. According to these results, the prostate size was not always reduced. 12. Ryegrass pollen extracts cause no serious side effects. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is one of the most common urologic problems in the elderly. Management of BPH often includes medical treatment. Sometimes surgical procedures will be required for advanced cases. All of these medical approaches causes side effects, sometimes lifetime. Ryegrass pollen extracts work by preventing diseases without causing side effects. The extract also improves symptoms without adverse effects. Ryegrass pollen works even better when taken along with medicinal plants, saw palmetto, pygeum, and stinging nettle. Thank you for watching to the end. We hope this video has increased your knowledge and that you start to use more natural products as an alternative treatment, and to become a healthier you. Please be sure to share our video and feel free to comment below.